Massey Ferguson 275. Diesel tractor. Rotary mower does sell separate. This tractor does currently need a switch. Start switch is currently out. We're jumping on the solenoid to start the tractor. Runs good. The rotary cutter does sell, but it sells separate from the tractor. Comes on, shuts off, 3-point goes up and down. Massey 275 diesel.